No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. 99%. We are the 99%. We are the 99%. We are the 99%. We are the 99%.
Bain Industry owns a lot of companies, Carrabba's, Michael's, Dunkin' Donuts, and a few others. And these folks, we've been out talking to them for the last several months, and they are vastly underpaid, and they work hard. They do.
My name is Barbara PITZER, and I'm from Portland, Oregon, and we're here in Tampa, Florida, to ask for our wages to be raised and for our voices to be heard, for taxes to be fair.
Minimum wage hasn't been raised in 3 years. It should be raised to keep in track, keep in touch with the economy, to keep in touch with inflation. And we got a lot of people who are struggling trying to make ends meet.
I work for Michael's Craft Store, and I can't afford to pay for rent or food. It takes 2 weeks for me just to pay my health insurance. That doesn't cover vision or dental. It takes the third week of every month for me to pay my car insurance, and it takes my adult son and daughter and I to put a roof over our head.
What brought me down here to Florida, I am a Dunkin' Donuts employee, and I have a lot to complain about. I've been working there for almost a year. I actually quit 2 weeks ago. I only got a 50-cent raise during that whole period of time. And I just don't think, I see the job that he's trying to create, and now he's trying to become president. And I just don't think that he's going to do a good job. He doesn't know how to handle that specific thing. He doesn't know what it's like to live a lifestyle that, you got to feed your family and you got to live paycheck to paycheck.
Well, a Mitt Romney presidency would damage health care for Americans. It would it would stop Medicare and Medicaid for a lot of people who deserve it and need it. It would also keep the minimum wage at $7.25. It needs to be raised. And I see a lot of my friends struggling, making $7.25 an hour, and I'm really here for them just as much as I'm here for you and everybody else.
Well, we're just merely trying to fight for those who need some additional money. They need to just be treated fair. They're not asking for a handout. They just want to be treated fair, that's all.
I'm hoping that minimum wage is raised so that we can put the money back into the economy to make our economy grow. If the workers out there had the money, they would be going out and spending it instead of hoarding it in their Swiss accounts.
And I'm fighting for everybody else because a lot of my co-workers, they were going through a lot too, and they're not able to be here today to speak, so I'm out here speaking for them.
We got hungry mouths to feed.